How is your first hot air balloon experience?
Surreal, yeah.
It's not surreal. Pag hindi ka chicks guys, daliin niya kasi ayaw niyang laruan yung feelings ng lalaki. Jump shot kayo dito guys, oh. Diyan, oh. Jump shot kayo dyan. Perfect. Look at that. Good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining us for this time. For today's video, maaga tayo kasi we're gonna have our hot air balloon experience dito sa Cappadocia. Yan. Ngayon, it's currently 5:27. Tapos pick up time daw namin 5:35 or baka medyo late daw sila. Give or take 15 minutes. So dito kami ngayon sa lobby ng hotel namin. Again, our hotel is called the Lord of Cappadocia. Dito sa may Gurim or Guram, I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, ganito siya sa lobby. Pagbungad agad sa lobby, may mga rooms dyan, parang suite at ayan. Masyadong malaki, hindi nyo makita. Tapos, this is Kay. Hi Kay! Hi babe. And then, medyo flickery lang yung lights kasi dito mag-match. Basta, sorry sa quality ng intro guys. Tapos, yan yung receptionist agad. Tapos, may mga rooms na dito. So, yan lang yung parang big thing namin for today is the hot air balloon experience, and we're gonna take you guys and yeah, let's experience it together. Excited na kami. So guys, nasa bus na kami. Pinig up kami sa hotel namin. Medyo maaga pa talaga. So yung sunset ngayon mga nasa 6:30. So pick up pa siguro namin yung ibang tao kasi marami pang vacant. Wow! Guys! Wait! Look! Wow! Babe, it's kind of soft. So, look! Wow! Amazing! Guys, look at that. Whoa. So magical. Picture sa babe? Wow! Guys, sorry medyo maingay. So, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but here's Kay. How is your first anong tawag dito, hot air balloon experience?
Surreal, yeah.
It's not surreal.
Ano na lang.
How long have you been dreaming this moment? Now, my experience.
Can't remember, maybe more than 10 years.
10 years?
Because I just see it in like pictures, videos from friends. So, didn't thought that this day would come.
Guys, it's worth it. Magkano gastos natin dito?
For the
Magkano?
hot air balloon,
Yeah, how much was it?
130 each, but still a steal.
So, 130 euros each. So, mga nasa $150. So regular price, kasi peak season ngayon, kasi maganda yung weather, kita nyo naman. Usually, it goes around $200 to $250. May iba nga na mga 300 per person. So, ito, sobrang steal na to. I don't know how she did it, but she did it. Guys, highly recommend. Tingnan nyo.
When in Cappadocia.
When in Cappadocia.
It's so magical.
Sa likod namin, no? It's glowing. Ay, punta na tayo. Guys, Words can't describe. I don't know if the camera can do justice kung gaano kaganda yung yung site dito, guys. OMG. Tignan nyo. Hindi pa nga kami nakalipad. Dami na sa taas, oh. Medyo na-delay nga talaga kami. Mas medyo maingay lang. Sobrang ganda. Holy crap. Sunrise. Guys, kung pupunta kayo dito around April, May, peak season. Tapos medyo malamig pa siya kahit spring. 38 degrees ngayon, so just bring layers kung hindi kayo malamigin, hindi kayo mahilig sa malamig. So, medyo maingay. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Review na lang natin mamaya. Basta sobrang ganda. Look. Wow. Cha-cha! Wow! So guys, yan na. It's starting to float! Wow! Ikaw ang video, babe?
Nag-video naman sa
Wow! It's massive! Di pa kami nakalipad.
Non ho capito.
Ganda dito. So guys, ano siya? Pinakamura yung nabook namin. Ilagay ko muna itong loop. So pinakamura yung nabook namin. Tapos parang nasa isang kami. Parang naka-quadrant. Quadrant siya. And 4 people per quadrant. So hindi masyado masikip.
Guys, subscriber, turuan namin kayo paano makakuha ng murang
I'm smiling. Guys, we're flying now. Holy. Okay. Wow.
It's happening.
It's happening. Look, we're above ground. Wow. Guys, we're flying above the car. Look at that. We're leaving the fields. Bye world, see you tomorrow.
In an hour, so you'll be.
Oh. We're really close.
Yes, best pilot.
Best. Woo! Wow, paper picture. Wow. Okay, we can go front. Wow.
Wait, basta sa birds. Oh. Taas na gitna sa birds.
Sure ba?
Yeah, una pa sa ubos ang.
Para siya ba? Wow. Really close to the wall. Dang, it's so close. Guys, tignan nyo guys. Anong itsura niyan? Parang mga tintin guys. Oh. Guys, parang tintin guys. Oh. Dami nila guys. Look, we're above them. Guys, ang dami pa dun guys. Guys, we're so high. We are so up high.
Aramızda bir küçük balon var, benim üstümde de bir büyük balon var. Ben de fazla yükselemiyorum ama ben 0.1
Worth it guys, worth it.
Kaya kayo kang pili ba?
Super worth it. 260 euros for 2 people. Worth it.
Or dili ng Walmart country.
Wow, amazing. Ano na? Lakers number 1.
Experience.
Adesso va il tuo vado per 2 giorni.
Wow, wow, wow.
Uy, na fire girl, oh. Ato ka US na inanas. Oh, na fire, oh. Kita ka to? No? Nasa mo likod.
Yeah, we're so close. Like
1 hour na to.
1 hour na. It's about to be 8. We're so close to the ground now, guys. Position, guys. Landing position. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Stand up.
Okay, okay. Fake news, fake news. 250 bucks down the drain. No, just kidding.
Hindi din ko ni Daddy.
Hindi, dapat hinay man mo ano.
Ano yung
Kapilan ako ma-stuck ay ka nang maggawas ako.
kaysa una dili pa man sementado ang parang sa katong part sa
Landing position. Ayaw kigumpak, ba?
Una arriba.
Guys, medyo rough yung landing. Feeling ko na-spray na ako.
Ouais.
Look at the view. Bye-bye balloon. Bye-bye.
Sepet sanki şey olacak gibi.
so cold.
Guys, may pa-champagne si Mayor, guys. Oh. Kasali na to sa tour. So, we got champagne and then breakfast after this. This is part of the tour, guys. Champagne party. And then I'm helping.
Okay, are you ready? Shower time.
Oh no.
Where are you going? Come please. 1, closer. 2.
Oh! Guys, tignan niyo guys. So, if you guys ever come here, bring hiking boots. Buti na lang waterproof yung sapatos. You good, babe? Cheers, cheers. Cheers. And guys, nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Tapos ito yung aftermath. Nakita nyo naman yung putikan. Gets ka na, babe? Yan yun. Linis, linis. Daming putik talaga. Tapos, ipipick up. Supposedly, may ano kami. May breakfast kaming kasali ng package tour. I-link lang namin sa Klook. Dito. Kaso, parang may miscommunication. Dinala nila kami sa hotel namin. Dinap off kami. So, yun. Dito na kami. So, naglinis na lang kami. Tapos, ipipick up daw kami ng driver. Mga 10 minutes daw. Gutom na kami. Tapos, nilutuan din kami ng breakfast sa hotel. Di namin in-expect. Pakita namin breakfast mamaya. Guys, dito na tayo sa restaurant. Ang layo ng restaurant sa hotel namin. Siguro mga 15 minutes na drive. Nag-alala kami pero look at the view. Wow. See those caves over there? Guys, I was looking hotels yan dyan. I was looking at the prices dyan. Mga nasa $200 a night. Pero ganda. But imagine this is your view waking up. May construction lang ngayon, pero don't mind that. Pero ito yung restaurant. View from the restaurant. Tapos ito. Kami lang yung tao, guys. Kami lang. Kwento namin kanina yung how we got this tour. Hungry na ka, babe? So we have a Turkish breakfast for this breakfast. So apparently this is a potato dish. Patatas ito. 3 kinds of cheese, and then cucumber, the fresh, and tomatoes, and then the different kinds of sauces. Guys. And then the bread. Guys, may kwento kami. So when Kay booked this tour, she booked it through Klook, right? And then, so the average price for this tour that includes breakfast on the peak season is $250 per person. Tapos when she was she was in charge of looking through the prices dito sa hot air balloon experience, and then she somehow found this tour with breakfast for $130 per person. So a while ago it was $250 per person. Tapos biglang naging $130 with breakfast. Tapos pag i-click mo yung no breakfast, guys, magiging $200 siya, which is so absurd. Kasi bakit mas mahal yung breakfast without breakfast, diba? So parang nag-glitch yung Klook. So we immediately booked it right away. And of all the people dun sa kasama namin sa hot air balloon, walang nag-choose ng breakfast kasi nga mas mahal, diba? Usually. So ngayon parang kami lang tao dito sa restaurant. Dito, tignan nyo. Ito yung itsura ng restaurant. So, ang name pala ng restaurant, guys, is Prokopi Restaurant. You can find them on Instagram, Prokopi. Tapos yun, ito yung, kumakain na siya. Hi, babe. Ito yung view ng restaurant. Medyo mainit lang siya ngayon kasi patanghali na. Tapos glass lang. So, susunduin lang ata kami after mag-lunch. Tapos, balik na agad dun sa city center. Ito yung spread namin ulit. Turkish breakfast. Ah. Ganda. Ito eh. Hi guys. Nag-fast forward na kami kasi from brunch namin, yun yung late breakfast namin. Yun sa restaurant. Nung umuwi na kami, nung hinatid na kami, nag-ano kami, nag-nap. Konting idlip lang.
needed nap.
Much needed nap kasi parang na-stress.
Not konti, babe.
Na-stress
It was
kami.
like a 3-hour break.
So ito, isang video ko na lang to sa isang araw.
4 hours.
It's one of those things na parang pag trentahin ka na, yan na talaga. Yan na yung effect. Pero guys, this is a good sight to see na malinis. Maganda yung panahon sa Goreme ngayon. Tingnan nyo. The sun is out. Diba? Oh, they're here. Oh, it's them. Hi guys. Yes. Yeah, we took a nap. So, those are the two people na nakasama namin na stuck. ADHD mode. Cute ng pusa. So, nakasama namin na stuck dun sa nung pauwi kami. Diba? Stress na kami masyado. And, so nilakad lang nila, babe?
I don't know.
Galing sa nila? What?
Possible.
Guys, ang taba ng pusa, guys. Miming. Oh. Ingat ah. Oh! So many cats. Guys, dami ng cats guys oh. Wait, I wanna take a picture. Pero guys, much needed rest. So, yung plano lang namin today is chill na lang. Buti na lang na ito lang yung pinano namin, yung hot air balloon.
Or will be very stressed.
Very stressed. Kasi kapagod talaga guys. Anyways, ano yung rating mo sa experience ng hot air balloon?
If wala yung stress, siguro mga nasa 9.5.
9.5. Iwala yung ano kasi anomaly yun eh. Hindi yun usual eh.
10 of course.
10 of course. May of course ha. So, guys, take it from Kay na must try talaga. I mean, it's the only one of the things
When you're
na
in Cappadocia,
when you're in Cappadocia.
it should be on your number 1 list.
On your number 1 list. Pero ano din, kahit pupunta kayo ng Turkey talaga, parang oh yeah, this is a must na we should probably head to Cappadocia and try the hot air balloon experience. Kasi pag pupunta kayo ng Istanbul, guys, I don't think there's any activity na ganito. Puro lang mga museums, mga ganun, mga pagkain. So, yun lang yung masabi namin. So, ako din siguro 10 out of 10. For the price na babayaran nyo. May pagkain na, may hatid sundo na kayo galing sa hotel nyo, di ba? Meron pang energy drink na champagne, di ba? Sulit na sulit talaga. So y'all gotta try it. Ay, pakiulit. Ano sabi mo? It's something you should check out
In your bucket
in
list.
your bucket list. Tama.
Hindi bucket.
Bucket.
It should be bucket.
Bucket list, yeah. So now, ano lang kami pasyal-pasyal na lang kami sa city center. Kasi ang ganda ng panahon, di ba? Ito yung look niya sa umaga. Kasi kahapon medyo gloomy. It was a bit gloomy yesterday. Daming shops dito. There's no shortage of anong tawag dito? Souvenir shops. So, hanap kayo ano yung mga mura guys. Like ang magnets cost around like 30 euros. Yeah, 30 Turkish lira. Yeah, 30 Turkish lira na cheap. Pinaka-cheap na kita namin. And some can go up to 200 Turkish lira.
Depends on the design.
Yeah. Tapos yung naririnig nyo guys, yan yung parang signal nila. Mag-prayer na sila. Yan yung Turkish flag. Yan kami na picture kahapon yung I love Goreme. And guys, cherry blossoms. Guys, kung sawa na kayo makita ng mga tao ng cherry blossom sa Japan, guys, dito na lang kayo, guys. Ganda dito. Guys, may Turkish ice cream, guys. Small cone.
Everybody. Yes.
Which one's the small cone? This one?
This one.
Ah,
I want waffle cone.
waffle
I want
cone?
cup.
Waffle cone, waffle cone.
Waffle cone. Okay.
Yeah.
Which one do you want ice cream? Everything recommend.
Which one's the best?
Vanilla, chocolate, caramel, lemon, pistachio.
Oh,
Yes.
Kaya 2 flavors now.
Of course, man.
Pistachio and lemon.
Pistachio and lemon.
Yeah.
Oh yes, man.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Oh
Uh,
my god. Very nice ice cream. Yes, please. I want this one. Thank you very much. I will. You're welcome. Off this one. Oh my god. I will. Oh. No. Come on, man. Thank you. How about him, Gel? Gel, you want to try? Thank you. How about him? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Tell him next time. This one. Okay. Lady,
No, just
enough?
just me. What?
250.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Welcome to Cappadocia, man.
Thank you. It's a wonderful place.
Yes.
It's a wonderful place.
Enjoy life, Cappadocia.
Hey, heck yeah.
Yeah, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
You're
Cheers,
welcome.
guys.
Tomorrow, next time, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Bruno, thank you.
It's really good. It's very sticky. So I got lemon and pistachio. Guys, parang minadali niya ako, guys. Pinakain niya agad ako ng tissue. Yeah. Hello? Dire? Babe, katong nag-ano ka, babe? Mas pas-pas or dugay? Parang minadali niya ako, guys. Siguro pag hindi ka chicks, pag hindi ka chicks, guys, daliin niya kasi ayaw niyang laruan yung feelings ng lalaki. Char. Pero
pa-try ako sa pistachio. Babe.
pero pag si Kay yung bubili, guys, bukas pa kami matapos nun, guys, sure ko. Gusto ko kasi tart tsaka savory. Ano to? Lemon pistachio. Yung consistency, guys, parang gelato, guys. Gelato ata to, di ba? Parang gelato to. Sobrang sticky, tapos hindi siya madali mag-melt. Rating ko nito 7.8 out of 10. Actually, 8. 8.2. Ganda ng consistency. Di ko pa nakain ng cone. Coffee kami dito, guys. Sa King's Coffee. Apparently, this is the number 1 rated coffee shop dito sa Goreme. So, try natin. Guys, dumating na yung coffee natin. Ito yung pistachio latte. Hot yung in-order ko. And then, may kasamang salty cookie and sweet cookie. Na-try ko na to sa Kadıköy sa Istanbul. Ayaw namin. Try natin yung coffee. I'll let you guys know. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Ay, first sip. Sarap, guys. Sarap. Babe, try mo.
Dami.
Guys, masarap. Tapos merong pistachio chunks. Gusto ko talaga itong pistachio kasi member ko dati, pag umuwi si lola ko galing ng US, or magpadala sila ng box, yung mga relatives, bibili sila ng malaking pistachio na bag. Galing yata sa Costco. Paborito yun ng lolo ko. Tapos parang mag-agawan kami mga grandkids or kami pagkakain si lolo. Tutulungan kami magbiyak ng pistachio. Tapos nung malaki na ako, kaya ko naman bumili ng pistachio. Hindi ko na-realize gano'n siya ka-expensive. So, di na masyado akong luxury na yung pistachio namin. Guys, tapos na kami mag-coffee shop.
Noon na sila yung mga kuwan.
Nag heart to heart. Heart to heart kami. In short, nang libak kami, nang lilibak. Joke lang. Nag-stroll na lang kami sa neighborhood. Tignan namin kung anong Tapos mag-sunset, kami.
There's the evil eye.
Evil eye. Also, dito yung evil eye, guys. Ano to ata? Similar ata to sa, ewan ko, research ko nga yan, but maraming evil eye. Dito sa Kasi sa Egypt, sikat din yan. Ewan ko kung ano yung Eye of Horus ata yun sa Egypt. Ewan ko ano yung meaning yan. Guys, tignan niyo pangalan ng hotel dito, guys. Ayan mo. Kifi. Joke. Di ba coffee guys? Yan yung ano, coffee yung iniinom sa umaga. Coffee. Love. Guys, tignan niyo itong hotel na to guys. Garden Cave Hotel. Yan o. Imagine, yan yung room mo guys. Yan yung room mo. Paglabas mo sa balcony guys, yan yung view mo. Wow. Yan o, tignan nyo. Afford natin to guys. Ano sa tingin nyo? Comment down below. Grabe, ang ganda ng view guys. Ito, kita mo. Against the light na tayo, pero yan. Ang ganda, no? Sige guys, pag makaipon-ipon tayo guys. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi nag-apply na ako. Nag-apply na ako ng license guys na pa-contractor. Pag ma-approve tayo, balik na dito. Hindi na kami babalik dito actually. Hindi na afford. Guys, so papasok na kami sa sunset spot. May bayad, warning lang, may bayad na 30 Turkish lira per person. Ito sa entrance. Tapos pupunta sa taas dun. Oo. Tapos hike dun sa taas. So nagbayad na sila. Oo. Nagbayad na sila. Nagbayad na si Kay. Sugar Mommy. Tapos paakyat siya guys ha. Just be mindful. Pag ulan dito din, maligyas kayo, madulas kayo. Credit cards only accepted. Turkey.
Apple Pay also.
Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay. 30 Turkish lira yung price. So, less than $1. Siguro nasa 40 pesos. Guys, may map ng Cappadocia dito. Saan tayo dito? Dito tayo. Goreme. Yan. Tapos ito yung buo. Dito. So guys, we're here at the top na. So ito yung itsura. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dun na side. So may parking spot pa pala dito. Tapos may food, ano pala dyan, oh. Tignan natin dyan, parang may coffee shop dyan. Or mga binibentang ano. So this is what it looks like.
Then magko-coffee na naman siya. Then hindi siya makakatulong.
Coffee number 2. May English tea din eh. Sarap ng ano, Turkish tea. Ito yung view dito guys. Jump shot kayo dito guys, oh. Dyan, oh. Jump shot kayo dyan.
Ikaw daw muna.
Yeah, ako na. Watch out for the next video. Sure. Ganda dito guys, oh. Cha-chang! Yung book natin. May spot pa pala dun guys, oh. Dun. Dito din, oh. Ganda dito guys kasi hindi against the light. Dito tayo, babe. Jump shot ka dyan, babe. Guys, ganito yung view dito sa may ibang spot. Tapos na kami mag-photoshoot. Mga 20 minutes kami dito. Ano na, time check. 6:45 na ata. Tapos magpa-sunset na. Kita mo yan. 7 plus yung sunset. Daming tao, oh. Ito yung view. Cha-chang! Guys, magpunta kayo dito. May ano pa. Doon kami galing kanina, di ba? Punta muna kayo sa taas. Tapos akyat kayo konti dito. Tapos merong photo spot dito. Kanina pa kami nag-photoshoot dito. Jump shot kayo dyan, guys. That's Bababa. Pero ganito yung view dito. Ang ganda, oh. Perfect. Look at that. Ganda, no? Ito yung landscape ng Cappadocia. Ano pa tayo? Let's go down. Guys, pwede nyo gayahin si Kuya, guys. Dala siya ng upuan. Yan, no? Upuan. Meron pang spot dito, guys. Oh, ganda dito. Tapos may mga upuan. Pwede pa mag-ano dito. Private property ata to. Cha-chang! Welcome to Cappadocia! Wow! Property to guys ha. So, baka bawal kayo pumunta dito pero pinapasok kami ng may-ari. Parang may cherry blossom farm siya dito. Tapos ito yung view. Ang ganda. No daw sabi niya. Pero pinapicture kami. Thank you kuya. Love you. Mama chup. Ganda, no? Kaya pala walang pumupunta dito. Thank you. Wala na ata dun, babe.
Other side.
So guys, dito kami nakapwesto. Ganda yung overlooking sa city. So, nag-ano lang kami, go past dito sa barricade. Tapos ingat kayo. Upo lang kayo dito sa may gilid. Upo dito. Hi, babe. Tapos dala kayo ng jacket kasi malamig. Huwag niyo tong tularan. Sige, wala siyang jacket.
jacket.
na mabaga.
Kapal.
Makapal. Ay, ano itong buko? May buhay. Cha-chan! So yan guys, tapos na kami dito sa sunset spot ng Goreme. Again, thank you sa pagsama sa video na to and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa adventures and sa mga unexpected turns dito. And again, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow!